We were sailing in a flotilla to Brazil across the Atlantic Ocean for COP30. We wanted to bring essential perspectives to conference.
How are you feeling?
This is Melody.
I sailed to Berlin as a sign of resilience, as a sign that I believe in this struggle. There is no going back. It is your right to fight for your community. It is your right to reclaim your land. It is your right to rewrite the future.
We want to do this again, but we have a problem.
Somebody came with a boat from over there, and now this which is incredibly sad for everyone.
We are excited about our conversations with other flotillas. We look to a bright future of collaboration. We want a larger flotilla to COP31. We want to normalise sailing as transport. We want to support environmental action with sailing resources. Help us fix our hull so Sababa, our beautiful vessel, our floating office, the hub of all our ideas and efforts, can continue to carry our dreams.